This year, I'm doing my Valentine's Day party completely differently. I'm hosting a tea party where we're making our own Valentine's Day cards. I'm making my own decorations, and I'm doing everything else myself, like making my own menu, making my own decorations, making my own snacks, making my own drinks. It's gonna be just a fun DIY moment, and I hope you get some inspiration. I hope you enjoy. First things first, invitations. Who doesn't want to go to a party if there's no cute invitations? I don't usually do digital art, but because I was making both a menu and invitations, I wanted to be able to copy and paste really easily. But you could always take pictures of your physical art and then still copy and paste it. I've had this fabric for a while, and Valentine's Day is kind of the perfect thing for it. So I'm making a tablecloth and a matching pillow. A tablecloth is actually really easy to core because it is so simple to make. You just need to do some rolled hems and you're all set. The pillow was a lot more complicated. Somehow I just messed it up so many times. But when it was done, it was so cute. Never thought that I would be able to make like all my Valentine's Day decor out of like scrap yarn that I had from all these like projects in 2020. Thanks, past Maytha. You're so useful. So many hearts. It's very easy to do, so honestly I might take it on the subway with me and I have to attach all the hearts. I think that will be the most time consuming part, but I think I can get my little helper. I think he can put the hearts on. We'll see. Okay, this is my new teapot. It comes with a strainer, so it makes our life so much easier. Let's see if I can pour well. Okay, I'm pouring. I'm doing it. Let's try this. That's way too sweet. It is the day before the party, and I'm making a chai simple syrup that people can add to their drinks if they want to make it a little sweeter. I can't find where my grinder is. Spice grinder. I'm just crushing it with the back of a knife. Is 1 hour to the party, and I have, well, I didn't do this, but Tim made the cookies. I put the little hearts in there. Start with this.
No, we should. That's gonna be